Welcome to the Zappy Task Editor. We'll see one of the features of Zap automation tool, that is child session. Child session is used to run another window or another automation within the Zap automation. Using child session, Zappy can execute two automations simultaneously. So let's see how we can do that. For opening the task editor, we already know how to open it. Double click on the Zap icon on your desktop and the task editor gets opened. In the execution menu, select the start child session option. So the session window is getting open up. Yeah. So this is a window. Here we can open, you can do any other action along with your task editor running in the background. I can open an Excel file for whatever, for example, uh, or else I can open this is Zappy task editor itself and run an automation. We'll see that. I'll open one simple app start automation. Okay, we'll execute this and see. It's an app start which opens the notepad here. That is a simple automation which we have selected now. So this is happening in a window, in a child window. There is an options menu in the top left corner. You can go to the full screen. Okay, and let's see other options as well. You can put your your child window always on top by this option. For example, I have opened this on another application, so it is being always on the top now because of that option. Now we can disable that as well. So disable topmost and open any other application, and this comes forward this in that way. Now, by default, it is in an editing mode, this window. Like if I go to the, see, I can access anything on this window, right? So now if you want to disable that, you can go for this option called disable editing. So once it is disabled, you can't access anything on this window. So this option is used for that. And exit is any way to come out of your child session. So in this way, you can run or pop up another child session along with this task editor, and you can run two automations or run open any other window simultaneously. Thank you.